Okay, so hey everyone, this side Krish come back with another new video. Now today in this video I'm going to show you how we can get permission for bootloader unlocking here. First of all, you can notice here I having Xiaomi Pad 6 and it currently running on Android version 14. For permission here, first you have to tap on 7 time on OS version or MIUI version. After that, open developer option here. Then you can notice here in OEM unlocking section here or me unlock status here. In me unlock status here, you can notice here this device is locked here. First, you have to enable OEM unlocking toggle here. After that, connect your device with a Wi-Fi or internet cable. If you're having Android phone, then you can connect with mobile data, and if you're having tab, then you can connect with Wi-Fi here. First, make sure your Xiaomi account is logged in your device here, and if you haven't logged in Xiaomi account, then first log in your Xiaomi account here first. Then after that, you can apply for permission here. After login, this type of interface appear here. Then you have to tap on additional settings here. After that, tap on me unlock status here. Then you have to tap on add account with add account and devices here. So you can notice here preparing to add account of devices. Then after that, you can notice here added successful. It means I have already got this permission for bootloader unlocking here. If you haven't got permission for bootloader unlocking, then how we can apply here? First, open here any browser here, and after that you have to search here a Xiaomi community application here, and you have to download this application from any website or any browser here. So first download this application for apply permission here. After that, install this application. Its size approximately 20 to 30 MB maximum to maximum. After that, allow all permission. Then this type of interface appear here. So simply you have to tap on sign in or sign up, and you have to allow all permission here, and then tap on OK here. After that, it will ask for choice here. Then you have to tap on skip. You can notice a 3 section: home section and home section and me section. Minimum 30-day old account is required, but you can notice here my account is too much old here, 723 days old. Okay, after that you have to tap on bootloader unlocking here. Make sure your account is most 30-day old. After that you have to tap on apply for unlock. After that you will get here please try again a few minutes. So you have to try on 12 a.m. according to China time here, and if you from India, then you have to try on 9:30 p.m. here, and if you from different region, then you can convert time here according to China time here. When China time is 12 a.m., then you can convert according to your region. Then you have to try again and again daily here. Then if you got permission, then you can unlock bootloader. After getting a permission, you have to open developer option and tap on me unlock status, then tap on add account and devices. After that you can unlock your bootloader here. And next video in next part here. So like this video and subscribe this channel. We will meet soon in another new video.